GST Case Law. Subject: expired bank account attachment. Court decides delay. High Court of Madras judgment as follows. Facts of the case: the petitioner, engaged in the manufacturing business, seeks to remove the provisional attachment of bank accounts and return seized electronic devices. An inspection in January 2019 alleged violations of the CGST Act, resulting in seizure of documents and the petitioner's arrest. The attachments on bank accounts expired after 1 year, and the petitioner's request for mandamus is based on this expiration. Decision: the court issues a mandamus to remove the attachments, stating they have expired as per Section 83(2) of the CGST Act. The court expresses concern about prolonged attachments, emphasizing the need for timely proceedings and adherence to statutory procedures. The delay of nearly 4 years in issuing the show cause notice undermines the justification for continued attachment under Section 83. Parties: Nitesh Jain Mangal Chand vs. Senior Intelligence Officer, DG of GST Intelligence. Citation: W.P. number 18776 of 2020. If you want to grow your tax practice like 2000 other tax professionals, visit our website www.practiceguru.pro. Download our app one-click branding or WhatsApp us on 9136667325. Also click on the link to watch next video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.